everybody, it's Christine here from Chalk Couture, and I am so excited to help you kickstart your creativity for 2019 and at an amazing deal with our Simply Said selection. Helps you make this fantastic project in just minutes. What a great way to banish the December and January blahs. It starts with this exclusive B-size transfer. You are enough, a message every single one of us needs to hear. Plus, you'll also receive 4 paste packs so you can finish your project. 3 of these colors are exclusive to this promotion. Can't get them anywhere else. You'll also get one of our small squeegees to help you make everything come together, and our brand new hexagon boutique board. It is a value more than $40, but you can get it while supplies last for just $34.99 exclusively on your independent designer's website, their Chalk site. So contact your independent designer today and banish those winter blahs with magic you can make in minutes.